One. What's up guys? Welcome to Shoot First. Nico here with Wanits. And kami lang dalawa, kami ulit yung pair na mga kasama ninyo. Si
Yes.
Javi nasa MPBL.
MP. Kakatapos lang ng MP. So,
Oo,
it's pretty late. Pauwi pa lang si Javi galing ng Binyan. Si Mikey, of course,
alam nyo na.
a little busy si Manong Mikey natin. Si Baileys, papagwapo. At ako nagpapahaba ng bigote. Guys, tingin nyo
Para
ba
sa...
bagay? Ikaw, Nix, tingin mo bagay?
Oh, bagay. Ano yung parang percentage ng mga tao na bumoto? Nasa, ano siya,
Nasa
85%?
75% ng mga tao.
75? Baba ah. 80 yan nung
Pero
sa
yung
ano,
mga
80.
ang mga puro no doon, family,
Ano ba?
yung mga long time friends. Pero yung
Long
basketball
sila?
community, medyo support sila eh. So, tingnan natin kung yung shoot first, ngayon lang nila makikita na medyo, ano pa lang to eh, 6 days pa lang. So,
So ano
tingnan
bang
natin
goal
kung
mo? Pati ba yung goatee
kaya
sumasabay
ko eh.
dyan?
Kaya actually, ang longest ko nung pandemic is 1 month. Nagka-curl na yun. Pero
Nagka-curl siya.
ang kate, hindi ko kaya.
Ah, hindi sa'yo pababa? Hindi yung parang beard
Hindi,
na
parang
ano,
si ano ako bro, para akong si
Mr. Suave?
General Luna.
Ay, Luna, okay ah.
Yan. Pero hindi ko kaya eh, hindi ko kaya eh. Dahil, syempre gusto natin looking young, ganyan, di ba?
Bata pa naman ah.
Kala mo, kala mo naman, ano mo naman. Pero I think I wanna start off, gusto ko muna congratulate si, historic win, Alex Ayala.
Oh yeah, gotta
That was
congratulate
wild,
her.
that
It's
was wild,
crazy.
especially doing it on Women's Month, where, we're celebrating women's wins. Um, ano lang siya eh, parang it's on top, it's a cherry on top. Ang ganda na nung celebration. This month has been very crucial, di ba? Si Ionescu nagsimula,
Mm.
and then a lot of events, a lot of highlights. Tapos all of a sudden, magcha-champion pa si Alex Ayala. So it's been a beautiful month for sports, for women's sports. And congratulations from the Shoot First community, from the Shoot First family. Congratulations, Alex.
Yeah, definitely
Kung nakikinig man.
congratulations talaga. Three Grand Slam winner yun, no? When it's those three Grand Slam winners yung mga nakalaban niya.
Yes. I think yung kagabi yung pinaka
World number
shocker.
two.
Pero wala pa, hindi pa siya champion eh. I think papasok pa lang siya ng quarters or semis. I'm not
Semis pa lang.
entirely
Semis pa lang, Juanit.
semis.
So,
But
two more na lang. Two more.
I think she has the potential of being a Manny Pacquiao level athlete.
In terms of impact, you mean like cultural impact?
Oh, cultural impact. Cultural
Kaya,
impact.
kaya.
It's too early. It's too early. At that time naman, ang tennis kasi hindi siya innate sa Pilipino eh.
Hmm.
Boxing was really innate. Diba? Boxing was something we always watch, pero sa Philippines it was not really siguro let's not say Manny Pacquiao, let's say Efren Bata Reyes levels, yan, mas
Efren, pwede, pwede.
mas reachable, 'di ba? Mas
Agree,
kaya
mas
yung
kaya nga
impact,
talaga.
kaya yung impact. So let's see, suporta tayo mga kababayan. Suporta tayo ka Shoot First fam. Hindi lang naman tayo basketball dito, suporta talaga tayo sa sports.
Sports in general, yeah.
But talking about basketball, kami lang naman ni Nico ay Makate dahil
Lagi,
the
lagi.
finals are hot. The finals are hot. I mean, the PBA finals are going to a game 7, and wala eh. As in, we just wanted to talk about it. We just really wanted to, parang ang dami naming emotions na pag hindi na pag-uusapan eh. So, ikaw Nick, where were you? Where were you when last night? Where were you? Game 6?
Game 6 I was at home. Lahat yan pinapanood ko at home. Live talaga. Kasi it's one of the best finals na napanood ko.
Totoo pare, totoo,
It's one of
totoo,
the best finals
totoo.
talaga.
I mean,
Diba? I'm sure
lahat
people
close
can
eh.
also agree.
Lahat
Lahat
close.
close.
Lahat close. Isa lang yung parang tambak, pero late game
Oo,
lang
parang
makita.
ano lang yung Hinebra nun when it's yung bumitaw na lang. Parang they just,
Yun.
yun. Yung
But it
sasama,
was close the whole time.
95-78 yung score nun.
Right? But it's one of the better finals. Actually, hindi nga natin na-expect na, ngayon, share ko lang. Sa Signal, syempre, merong mga ilang complimentary tickets yan. Nagkakagulo na, bro. So ako
Nagkakagawan for the complimentary tickets.
nakapila ako, minsan lang ako magte-text sa boss ko na, "Sir, hello po. Baka po pwede pumila." Sabi niya, "Sige, one hits." Pero pinakita niya yung pila pare, sobrang layo ko pa sa pila.
Ilan yung mga nasa
Layo pa.
ano?
Sige, bukas. Gusto ko manood eh.
No, no, I mean, ilan yung parang pila?
I think around, I mean, I don't know the ranking of who gets it first or, di ba? Ano ba yung paunahan? But I think it's around 30 already for
Yung parang
complimentary.
raffle. Yung parang
It's not a
raffle for
raffle
the...
eh. Merong may
Talagang
hawak.
listahan yan, paunahan to
Oo,
ano.
siguro nasa kanila na lang kung sinong ipa-prioritize sa office. But for tomorrow, I'm hoping pag nakita nyo ako doon, guys, see you there. Pag hindi, ibig sabihin, nasa TV ako, Pilipinas Live nanonood. Yun lang yun.
But yun nga, no, like Juanits, I think I always thought it was gonna go to a game 7. But that was ano eh, parang bago na-injure si Brownlee. Nung na-injure si Brownlee, nag-iba ako. Kala ko,
Oo,
mukhang
true.
TNT in 5, gano'n ko pa na iniisip. But then, yun nga, game 4, diba? Brownlee had that Willis Reed moment. He had that, pinakita niya na, yung never say die spirit talaga ng Hinebra, that why a lot of people love that team.
Yeah, so, I mean, Brownie's been wild. You see the discomfort, but you also see the heart eh.
Mm.
Para he really embodied that never say die attitude. Na I'm sure kung, di ba, yung mga panahon nila Jawo, I mean, I never got to watch these guys, but from the stories of the people I listen to, grabe yung sinasabi nila na, eh, mga yan, kahit na 2 minutes na lang natitira, hindi titigil yung mga yan. Ganon si Brownlee, bro eh. Ganon yung heart ni Brownlee and nahahawa yung iba. Nahahawa yung buong Hinebra. So, that's why it's been a wild series because Brownlee's been doing it on four fingers. The scientific ano is I heard that kumakalas daw. So I was
Sabi
talking
ni
to a
Coach Tim, di
trainer.
ba? Pag hindi daw
Uh,
naka-tape, parang it's literally falling
yeah.
off daw. Anyway, yung sasabi mo na you
Ang
were talking
sabi
to
sa
a
akin ng
PT?
trainer tsaka nung
Oo.
PT, that's why it's falling off. And I don't know the scientific, I don't know if ganun talaga. But
Mm.
most likely daw, merong putol na ligament. So, for Brownlee to be able to be playing, still averaging 21 minutes, di ba? Pare, that's pure heart. That's pure willingness to compete, get the win. But one thing we can see, alam natin na medyo struggling si Brownlee when it terms
To his standards. To his standards.
to his standards. Diba? Kahapon, he only had 21 points. 22.
Only, no? Only. Iba kasi yung
22. Konti
standard
pa
pag
yun.
hindi kay Brownlee.
Konti pa yun. Pero I think, nakita natin, yung 7 turnovers niya, medyo nakita na talaga
Yeah,
natin na
that's medyo glaring nga
ang
yung 7 turnovers.
ano niya. But you have to credit the heart. That's why the game 7 tomorrow will be wild. Will be
Yeah,
wild.
pukpukan talaga yun bukas. It's more of, you throw out all the strategies away pagdating na sa game 7 eh. You have figured out your opponents. They have figure out ka na rin, vice versa. So it's a matter of who can just make their shots. Ganun na lang talaga
Totoo.
yun eh.
Totoo. What I say to my team sa Signal,
Oh.
no matter of last season, it's one game. One game lang ang championship.
Hmm.
So, it's really who wants it more that will get it. Lalo na in a match where it's so equal already. It's so balanced. Wala na eh. Yung labanan nyo na dito is just really the willingness to get that win. So, tomorrow, I'm sure that's gonna be the case. Nagkataon, kanina,
Hmm.
naglaro kami, di ba? Hindi ka naglaro. Naglaro kami sa
Well,
Moro.
yeah, di ako
We were playing,
nag-register for that. Di ako
we were
pwede.
playing, we were playing in court 2 sa Moro.
Oh,
Court
court 2.
1, nandun yung talk and text.
Okay.
Para
Pero
parang
nakababa yung mga ano, 'di ba? Nakababa yung mga
nakababa.
yung ano yung drapes? Basta yung ano cover.
So ako, gusto ko sanang, di ba, parang sumilip,
Hindi talaga,
makipagkulitan.
hindi wala ka
Sana ako,
talagang chance
kaibigan ko
tuloy.
naman yan sila Ray eh.
Oh, oh.
Sila Ray, sila Ebonya. Minsan nakakasama ko naman yung mga yan. But sabi ko, ayoko na munang manggulo. Let them
Kasi
focus.
talagang game 7.
Yeah.
Naririnig nyo ba?
No, no, no. Everything was closed. Lahat ng blackboard. Yung mga utility nakaano sa gilid para wala munang manggulo talaga.
Ay,
So, ano
talagang ano,
talaga, it's really a
closed.
closed practice. Ang nakakwentuhan ko ng onte, si Coach Bong. Shout
Ah,
out
Coach
Coach
Bong
Bong.
Ravenna, he was there.
Coach Bong. Kasi
Oh.
nagbe-breakfast na sa labas. Pero di
Coach
ko
Bong.
na, parang alam mo yung parang feeling ko sobrang stress na nila. I kind of kept the mood light. Sabi ko, Coach Bong, kulang pa kami isa, laro ka? Niyaya ko pa siya. Pero talaga literal, kulang pa kami early
Oh.
morning. Dede, focus muna kami, focus muna, sabi ni Coach. But you felt the vibe that they were really locked in for the championship. And, that's one thing you want. That's one thing you want. This is no joke. So tomorrow is gonna be wild.
Actually, when we wouldn't have we wouldn't have a game 7 if ano I want to insert this. Let's give our flowers to Poy Eram, no.
Mm.
Si Poy Eram,
So,
he has received a lot of flack, both from us, like dun sa sarili kong podcast, sa atin, we were also talking about it. I'm sure all the articles out there for good reason, no? Kasi even Poy admitted in an interview na sabi niya, oh, it's all on me. He's actually going to get some help daw, which
yeah.
is a good thing na he's open to that, na guys are starting to accept help, like pagdating sa mental health nila. But when Poy just came out at the right time, along with Ray ng Batak, who was arguably their second star in that game yesterday. But si Poy he just stayed in the moment. Wala siyang paki sa crowd. Wala siyang extra taunting or whatever. He's not reacting to them. And they won because of that. Yung mga crucial, ano niya.
Nakita mo yung fourth quarter niya where he was really playing a lot of inside basketball.
Mm-mm.
That is what the Talk and Text fans have been wanting from him.
Mm-mm.
And that is what Coach Shot has been trying to get out of him. That when he's focused, when he's all out in the
Mm-mm.
moment, na talagang, ito lang, laro lang ako basketball, yun yung Poy Eram eh. To me, he's the best big man in the series. To me, I mean, Japet is already how old? 37, 38. So he's past the prime. Kelly Williams is done.
Talagang
Wala na
stopper na lang si
Mark-Stan
Kelly.
Hardinger.
Oo.
So to me, personally, I think Poy Eram is the best big man. But how can he do it when his emotions are out of place? 'Di ba? Pag ngarag na yung utak mo, 'di ba? Hindi ka tinawagan ng foul, nabigyan ka ng ganito, 'di ba? Nag-away kayo ng coach mo, away kayo ng kakampi mo, talagang mawawala ka. But last
Mm.
night, talagang locked in siya. Locked in siya. Wala ka nakita. Basketball lang ako.
So
Diba?
alam mo
And
yung napansin
lumabas
ko,
yung tunay
Manits,
na laro.
he was looking at Coach, no, he was not looking at Coach Chot, but he was looking at Coach Sandy Arespacochaga.
Hmm.
Whenever parang he just wants to calm down, si kay Coach Sandy siya nakatutok. And I think underrated yung how Coach Sandy keeps him in line, how Coach
Oo
Sandy
naman.
may be the guy that was talking to him during practices. Kasi may two free throws, di ba? Free throws si Poy, tingin kay Sandy. Ito sabi ni
Yes.
Sandy, okay, mamaya ka nag-celebrate. May oras pa. Pero sabi ko, wow, iba talaga yung he's looking, mga assistant coaches talaga. We need to give them the credit they deserve.
Yeah.
Because without them, I don't think Poy will be able to do this game
Si
6.
Coach Sandy, meron niyang demeanor na talagang calm eh.
Si
Patawa yan
Coach
eh.
Sandy.
Komedyante yan, bro. Komedyante yan. Sobrang love ko yan si Coach Sandy.
Oo.
Sobrang love ko yan from his days in Ateneo, NLEX. Nakausap ko si Coach Sandy, parang ang dami ko natututunan. And at the same time, he shares it so light. So the players really have this heart for Coach Sandy. It's very hard to hate on Coach Sandy. No one hates Coach Sandy. So I think siguro yun yung nahanap ni Poy na, okay, there is someone that could, okay, I'm gonna look at,
Si Sandy
pagkakatiwalaan ko
nga
to,
titi yun the whole time.
right? And then, lumabas that everything they did uh, to help Poy yesterday was there. It's either from Coach Sandy, baka sports psych, baka nag-usap talaga sila masinsinan. Hindi naman natin malalaman eh. We're not gonna release that to the media. Right?
For sure, hindi na nililisin niya.
We can just assume, but gumana. So they can try it again. That's as simple. Diba?
Ito, Nits, I wanna ask you.
Okay.
I like to ask this question. How close in terms of like contribution, who would you pick in this final series alone? Would you pick Ray or Scotty? Or would you say it's a tie with their performance? Kasi 3-3 naman eh. Did you think this player
Interesting.
outplayed the other? Did you think Ray outplayed Scotty or vice versa? They all had their moments eh. Pero would
Okay.
you say it's a tie? Anong ikaw from
The
your
spotlight, I think, for me, is on Ray.
the spotlight is on
Because
Ray?
nawala
Okay.
si Jason eh. Nawala si
Mm.
Jason. So the question was, who steps up for Jason? Is it a smooth ride for Hinebra? Or kaya ba ni Ray? And to end the semis, remember, Ray struggled. Nung nawala si
Oh, he
Jason,
did.
'di ba? He was getting flack from Andy Howe. Kung siya si Andy Howe, hindi
Kinakain siya ni,
natatakot.
ni Andy o ni Dr.
Ray
J.
ng Batak is not playing well again. Tara si Andy Howe na yan eh. Di ba sabi ko, grabe naman si Andy Howe.
Pero
Which
gano'n
siya
si
walang,
Dr. J. He's really like, he
di
sees
ba?
his how how it is.
I was kind of agreeing on Dr. J na, okay, Ray's not stepping up. But all of a sudden, he steps up now. On the other end, Scotty. You're not gonna ask a lot from Scotty, not from scoring, not from his impact is his impact. So, parang na-highlight yung isa naman hindi natin In terms of impact, I think it's still equal. But because of the loss of Jason, magkakaroon ng konting lamang si Ray. Kasi
Isipin
mas
natin
konti ang
konting lamang,
tulong.
pero grabe yung ano, no?
Oo. Ang ano kasi
Okay.
is, sinong backup ba ni Ray?
Brian
Heruelas.
Heruela. And we saw how Brian Heruela performed last game. Wala siya nakiambag, bro. I think 2 air balls ata in 3 field goal
Anong stats
attempts.
ni Heruela? Let's
Wala,
check.
0 points.
He was 8 minutes. The second
Oh,
backup is Kim Aurin. Kim was zero
zero
also.
din.
Zero din. So, believe ka kay Ray. Dahil, okay, I need to step up again. 27 si Ray, bro. 27. That's big. That's big.
And you would think
So,
when it's supposed to be naturally, in the way things look like on paper, you would think, okay, Calvin Oftana is the second guy after RSG. But no, it's been a consistent reign ng Batak, at least in this PBA final series.
I think Calvin kasi is a perfect secondary option.
Secondary.
He's the
Okay.
type of guy that, no, I don't want the ball first.
Kayo muna.
He needs
Kayo muna
someone
kumain.
na, okay, when everything goes for this guy, then we continue on going to him. Pero pag nag-adjust ang depensa, you're the second guy na, okay, I can attack, I can shoot. Calvin's that guy. Calvin doesn't want to be the, okay, antay kayo bibigyan ko kayo. Hindi si Calvin yon. So, yun si Jason Castro eh. 'Di ba? Yun si Jason Castro. I'm gonna make things work. If my attacks are not there, I know how to kick out. I know how to create for others also. Si Ray totally took on that role na I'm gonna be the first guy in. Even Ronde allows Ray to cooperate. 'Di ba? Hindi agad kay Ronde
Hindi siya,
nag-ooperate.
hindi siya nagaganon pag si
Hindi,
Rayon
hindi.
tumitira. He's just like, green
Hindi.
light, parang
That's
sige.
what that's what you love about the offense, 'di ba? Ako one thing din
Exactly.
pare, I really love the attitudes of the imports. Kung pwede ko
Grabe,
na
no?
bigyan ng Philippine passport parehas yan, binigyan ko na talaga eh.
Binigyan ng Jordan passport yung isa eh.
Wala, nabigyan, naunahan tayo dun eh.
Jordan pa.
Naunahan tayo.
Ah.
I mean, si
Ay,
Brownlee kilala natin eh. Na
yeah,
kwento
okay
ko
na
lang. Si
yan.
Brownlee kilala na natin, di ba? Sa videos, kay L.A. Tenorio, mabait talaga eh. Pero si
Mm.
Ronde, parang medyo mysterious pa yun, di ba? Parang, okay,
It's a
ano
bit
ba to?
reserved.
Di ba? It's a bit
Mm.
reserved. But
Mm.
I heard from the other guys na,
Oo.
grabe bro, sobrang bait din daw to.
Si
Sobrang
Ronde.
bait din daw nito ni Ronde. Di ba? It's one thing na magaling ka eh. Pero kung kaya mo pang makisama sa team mo, ibang total,
Ibang
ibang
plus
skill
points
pa
yun.
yan eh.
Mm-mm.
Ibang skill pa yan.
Tama.
Yung willing, it's hard to look for an import that's willing to die for you inside the court.
I
Willing to
remember
die
that game
with
6
you.
play. You saw that game 6 play, no?
Yeah,
Yung dive
bro,
niya.
yung dive.
I think that was
Shit,
that
that's
was it.
huge. That's
Ah.
huge. Imports are not willing to imports are not willing to
The
die
dirty
with the
work.
team.
The
Diba?
dirty
They're
work.
not gonna do it. Diba? But these two, bro, props. If there's a first double best import, I would give it to these two. Di ba? Kung
Agree.
merong may deserve. Kung merong may deserve.
Sila,
Iba eh.
silang dalawa yung magiging, yung hawak silang dalawa
Ano,
dun sa,
pucha pare, yun ang mag-unite sa Pilipino.
TNT.
Yun ang mag-unite sa Pilipino. Ronde and
JB.
Brownlee.
So ano nga? So Scotty or Ray?
Hindi, Ray ako.
Sk- Ray
Ray.
ka. Pero
Solid eh.
just by the very slight edge over Scotty.
Scotty's
You
just being Scotty eh. For them to win, I think Scotty needs to take it up a notch tomorrow.
okay?
He's just being Scotty. I
Okay.
think we all know what Scotty can do and we all know that Scotty can put it up a notch. Parang siguro yung fans, kaya mo pa tol eh. Kaya mo pa. Ano ka pa? Step on the gas ka pa onte. And
Let's
I'm
move
sure
now to the
bukas, panigurado yan.
exactly. So ngayon, since pag-usapan natin Hinebra, Scotty, let's not talk about Hinebra. Again, I put you on the spot on Nitsa. Since iba kasi ano another one. Would you play RJ Abarientos more than Mava Hanmisi?
Ah,
Ah,
hirap
storyline side, di
yan.
ba? That's a storyline. Because you see debates and comments na bakit mas maraming minuto si RJ Abarientos more than Mava Hanmisi? Blah, 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 blah. But then you think, okay, RJ can give me this, but Mav can give me defense and offense, but RJ
Okay.
offense. So parang, 'di ba?
Hmm.
I want to know your
Yesterday, I think they
pick
both
here.
played 15. They both played around 15 minutes.
Yes, with a
So
1 minute
equal.
edge for RJ. Yeah, may
Ah,
1 minute, two
talaga.
minutes
So
edge siya.
medyo may
Yeah,
lumang si
parang ano
RJ.
naman, small lamang, 1 to 2
If
minutes.
ako, I would
Yeah,
actually RJ a
RJ
little
ka,
bit more.
okay. Game 7, RJ. Okay.
Game 7. Number 1, yung kapal ng mukha ni RJ is needed. You need
Okay.
someone who has the guts to take that when he's open. Yung walang dalawang isip. Walang dalawang isip.
You need that in the game
Number 2,
7.
yung energy ni RJ because of the youth. He can man his own defensively. I think Mav has a small edge defensively pero
He
kaya
does,
naman ni
yeah.
RJ eh. Hindi naman siya defensive liability. But yung guts, yung kapal ng mukha, yung willingness to take the shot. And of course, ako most importantly is the guy who can stretch the floor better for Brownlee, for all the other guys. And I think that's RJ. But if you really need someone to defend, si Mav kasi can switch sometimes with RJ eh.
Yeah,
I think yun yung
exactly.
main reason eh.
Para sila yung nagsasalita na one it's
Oo. Parang if Mav switches on RHJ, it's something that he can contain just for a bit.
pwede
It's not
pa.
a total 'di ba? But if you switch Abarientos dun kay
Pull up. Automatic pull
Ronde,
up si
medyo
RJ. 'Di
medyo
ba? He
alanganin
automatically
talaga.
pulls up when he sees Abarrientos, nag-switch na. Titingnan niya lang one, mid-range, pasok. Oh,
So
shit.
defense, offense, but offensively, I think kailangan talaga nila si RJ. Ilan si RJ kapon? 12?
He had 12. He usually plays well in the game 6, just like last year. Although they lost in the game 6, but tinawag namin itong game 6 RJ. I mean, they lost, but it's one of his better games in the finals. Kasi sobrang up and down talaga ni Abarrientos when
Oo.
it's kaya gets ko rin yung comments. Like, it's a bit harsh, pero gets ko naman where they're coming from na summer team Mav, summer team RJ. So, it's a debate na I wanted to get your take on it. Kasi ngayon natin na pag-usapan tong we're now deep into this playoffs.
I think tomorrow, just may iba lang ako. I think tomorrow the two main factors, X
Mm-mm.
factors,
Mm-mm.
are gonna be Holt for Hinebra,
Okay.
Pogoy for Tocantex. I think those two, both expected na natin hindi aangat ng 9-man rotation yan.
It's gonna be
8,
8.
8 to 9,
8.
8 to 9. Yan lang yon. Dalawang import, baka 48 minutes yan parehas.
Feel ko rin na parang last game na bago mag-All Filipino, matagal namin kayo
Aga.
bago makita. Ano na, 48 minutes na natin to. For sure, Coach Tim, Coach Chot saying the same thing.
Ano na yan. So, kailangan ngayon that who's the other guys who can show up.
Pogoy
I
didn't
think
show up last game on 8. He was
wala.
1 for 9.
Pogoy
1
played.
for 9? 1 for 8?
Masama yung laro ni Pogoy. He wasn't
Yeah,
really scoring that much. But he also didn't get a lot of attempts eh. I mean, he wasn't getting a lot of opportunities. Maganda yung coverage nila kay Pogoy.
exactly. Oo.
So, tomorrow I think he needs to be able to be ready. Kasi wala, dyan na si Ray, dyan na si Calvin. Si Poy would man the inside. So he needs to be able to be the next guy up. Same with Stephen Hott. Same with Stephen Hott. I think he has to be ready.
I want to give credits to Stephen Holt no one needs. He's been consistent since game 1. At least in defense, he gives you that 7 to 8 points and kudos to him for being the main defender kay RSJ. Kasi hindi
Hmm.
naman sa tayo abot ng game 7 if not for Stephen Holt as
Actually,
well.
I didn't even
Oh.
know that he could defend that well.
Grabe no? Talagang
Kasi coming
galing
to the
ah.
PBA, lahat ng hin-highlight nila was this guy's a natural scorer, this guy's a shooter.
From
So,
Terra. Kasi Terra
di
Firma, di
ba?
ba? Talagang
Kahit sa
siya scorer
Terraforma
siya
naman
dun
eh,
eh.
hindi ko pa siya
Oh.
masyadong nakita yung ano niya eh, yung defensive coverage niya eh. Pero ngayon, putya, wala pa sa atin, kaya eh. Is it, what, only 31? So, as a
Yeah, he's on the
3
old
years.
side. Pero may 4-5 years pa, you think, on it, no? In
Oo
the
naman.
PBA, that's a
Oo
good four
naman. The
five
PBA
years.
is a good 3 to 4, probably.
Mm-mm.
After 4, if he still has a shooting, you can have a Marshall Lassiter role eh.
Actually, na stocky pa. So, alam
Rocky pa.
mong, di ba? Okay eh.
But yeah, props to him. Props to him.
Ano pa ba? I love the series. I think we discussed the crucial ones, the key ones. Japet's gonna be crucial tomorrow.
Oo
That's a
naman.
key matchup I want to see. The Japet versus Poy Eram. I feel like they would be the one to tip the scales as well. Na feel ko kontra Pelo sila. But if Poy Eram we see a game 6 poi, bro, I think TNT to. If you see a game 6 poi, assuming na the rest follow. Basta, feel ko si
So
Poi
that's
Aram yung,
yours. That's your take. That's your
that,
take.
ano sa'yo? Sa akin
I'm
yun.
actually
That's not the take
I'm
of the pod.
actually
That's mine.
I'm
Oh.
actually going with talk and text also.
Oh, shit. Pag
I'm
tayo
actually
nababash,
going
man,
with
it's,
talk and
say,
text.
we'll own it na lang. We'll own it na lang. Come on.
Babalikan tayo nito. Pag natalo ang
Babalikan
talk and
tayo.
text mo, babalikan
Pero
tayo nito.
engagement naman.
Pero sige, sige. Wag naman kayo mag-comment pag tapos na yung series. Pero habang hindi pa tapos,
Oo,
pag-post
aba,
sa
di pa
pag-post
tapos.
nito, habang nanonood kayo, ano tayo? Guessing game tayo ngayon.
Yes, game.
Guessing
Tada
game
naman tayo.
tayo.
Remember our NCAA finals one? He went
Ah,
back to that episode. Like, di ko na binir... Sige, para sa engagement naman ng shoot first. Di ko na papansinin yan. At tatlo tayo na, di ba?
I think talk and text by 4. Talk and text by 4.
Yeah, I'm thinking of mine. TNT by 6. Parang ganun. Sige.
Late game
May
fouling, no? Late game fouling.
late game fouling. Parang TNT's leading
So
by
basically,
2.
nandun tayo on the same, ano? On the
Yeah,
same,
same trend. Tapos
ano tayo on
dinebra
the
by
same
6, no?
train. On the same
At
train.
least,
Different car lang,
at
but
least,
on the same train. Sige,
kasi I
kayo
just,
guys, comment down. Comment down. Comment down. Comment
para
down.
masama nagsasabi na TNT fan ako, hindi po, NLEX ano ako, true and true. I'm an
NLEX
NLEX guy.
yan. NLEX yan.
Kami ni Juan, it's NLEX.
Hindi ako kung nasan lang ako. Dati kasi kung
Ay,
nasan
kami
si
pala
Diego
ni,
da.
ano, ni Tito AG
Dati kung nasan
pala.
si Diego Dario, nandun ako eh.
Ano ba?
Pero
So,
ngayon, wala.
Huskers ka,
Quezon Huskers
Huskers.
na kami. Quezon Huskers. Nandun na si Diego Dario eh.
So yeah. Gaya na
TNT
sabi
ba
ni
yan?
Juanits
TNT
guys,
ba
comment kayo. You have to comment now. Do not comment after the
Oo,
game.
huwag naman tapos na
Dapat fair.
pare.
Dapat fair.
Huwag
Walang
naman na.
edit-edit ng comment. Makikita namin yan.
And don't forget to say, let's say, I'm hoping to get tickets. Don't forget to say hi tomorrow para magkwentuhan tayo doon. At huwag niyo naman ako i-bash. Nalala ko before.
Ano ba? Ano ba?
Binil Letran finals. Nag-episode kami the night before.
Tayo ba
Sabi
yun?
ko binil. Hindi, wala ka pa nun.
Wala pa ako nun.
Wala ka
Kayo
pa
pa yun.
nun.
Okay, kayo pa
Kami pa
nun.
nun. Sabi ko
Mike's
binil
or...
din 3. Binil
Oo.
din 3. Binil Letran. Tsaka bro, lahat ng nakakita sa akin sa Inares Antipolo. Bro, binild ka ah. Pucha ka. Na bro, I was
Ganun
getting so
talaga?
much flack. I was getting
Seryoso?
so much flack. Tapos talo pa yung binild. Pucha, yan ah. Talo pa yung binild.
So, dapat nagdala ka na sa glasses at camera. Ay na, ayaw na dito.
Hindi, kung nanalo naman, edi tama ako.
Tama
Di
ka.
ba ako nanalo? Pero
We
wala,
gotta
di
live with,
talo.
we gotta live with our decision on it.
Oo naman. I'm sticking with talk and text. Talk and text by 4. No?
Ako,
TOG.
TNT in 6.
Ito na lang, last natin.
Mm.
If Talk and Text wins the finals, who is the finals MVP?
Easy, Ray ng Batak.
RHJ
Ray, no,
ng
bawal,
Batak.
bawal lang ano, diba?
Bawal
Import.
ba? I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Guys, alam ko bawal Alam ko bawal. Pero kung mali kami, let us know na kung mali, what you think
Okay.
about the... Pero sabihin natin na bawal. Sorry kasi ang gulo kasi ng mga rules na ngayon, no?
Oh.
It's Ray ng Batak for me when it's, if it's only... Kasi last year si Jason Castro lang di ba?
Hmm.
Siya yung finals MVP. I'm like, why? And RJ is there. So I'm assuming that the rule still stays still stays till now. But Ray ng Batak, for me, easy. Or do you have anything other in mind?
Hindi, Ray
If
din ako eh. Ray
Ray
ako
ka rin,
Talk and
no?
Text. Ang tanong, kapag Hinebra,
Yun ang mahirap. Scotty? Scotty.
Scotty safe?
Scotty. Scotty is a
Scotty
safe
safe?
answer. But
Ako,
sabihin natin, sino bang pwedeng pumatok bukas na out of nowhere? Holt? If
Rosario.
Holt, well,
Sige,
Rosario kasi when it
Rosario,
has
pwede
been
yan.
injury riddled, he's been doing his role. Pero parang mas more likely pa ata si Stephen Holt na sabihin natin Stephen Holt was like 25 points tomorrow, a key stop and a key three. Feel ko that would make the others forget na ganda na nilaro ni
So
Scotty.
whoever creates for Hinebra tomorrow, yun ang most likely na ano, no?
So
Kasi
sabihin
it's
natin
equal
na
eh. Walang individual na sobrang pumuputok for ano eh. For Hinebra.
so
It's
far
been a
it's Scotty leading the way for Hinebra, no.
pack.
But yun nga, a magical game from Stephen Holt can just tip the scales because of like game 7, but bigyan natin kay Stephen Holt. Okay naman siya ng first 6 the defense siya kay RJ.
Ano naman?
But
Oo.
it would take that kind of game for him to win. Pero I think it's a Scotty if it's Hinebra. with the
Okay,
championship.
Scotty if Ginebra, Ray if talk and text by 4, talk and text by 6. So that
Wait,
will
wait. When
stick with
it's
our predictions.
before we
Hindi naman
end,
kami even
I
dito.
think it's a fitting question when it's
Okay.
if Ginebra wins, do we see a Justin Brownlee retirement? Let's end it there. If Ginebra wins, do we see the last game of Brownlee ever? Or he will, if they lose, will we see another season of Justin Brownlee because he
Oh,
needs to get
bro,
back
ang
at
bigat
RSJ?
ng tanong na yan.
That's how we end
Ang
it. Let's end it
bigat
there.
ng
Kasi
tanong na
iniisip ko
yan.
yan. Because this closes the cycle. Kasi hindi, ito na lang yung important. He's gonna be like an Allen Durham if he loses to RSJ. Diba? It's gonna live with him. It's gonna stick. He cannot be the GOAT import if you lose three straight to to an opponent like RHJ. Like I think that's hard thing for me to say, but let's be
Oo.
realistic. You cannot be the GOAT import with a losing
Oo
record
naman,
0 and
totoo.
3. So what do you think? Do you think if he wins, I'm gonna call it quits, guys. I'm out. JB out.
Pucha, I don't think he's gonna call it that way. Pero okay
Yeah,
yun eh.
yeah.
Pag
He's
manalo na si
gonna.
Brownlee, end your career on a high note,
Okay.
while, we kind of feel na medyo pababa na talaga si Brownlee. He's not the
We see
same
it.
Brownlee. He is still 90%, 95% the Brownlee we know. Pero hindi na yan yung Brownlee na talagang Justin Brownlee. So if he can get that championship, siguro it's time.
Call it. Parang
Diba?
ano na.
Bagong ano na,
Let's end it here.
bagong bagong Hinebra cycle naman. Let's make someone new, right? Let's make
Ralier.
someone.
The joke. Si
Sige,
Ralier. It's
pero
Ralier.
sakit eh. I don't think may iyak din akong masabing hindi ko na mapapanood si Brownlee ulit
But we
in a
gotta think about
Hinebra
that.
jersey.
He's thinking about it for sure
May
na.
iyak ka dun eh. May iyak ka dun, bro. May iyak ka dun. We grew up with Justin Brownlee the last 10 years.
Exactly. That's 10
The
years of my
last 10
PBA. Yeah.
years, parte na ng basketball world natin si Justin Brownlee. So, but tama ka rin.
You
If he
gotta think
wins
about
it,
it, diba?
I think it's a good goodbye.
JB out.
It's a it's a fitting end to a perfect career. Lalo na let's say naka-game winner siya. The way he
Oh,
made his first
over
the way
ano?
he made, di
RHJ?
ba?
Ah! Wild dun, bro. Kung
Tapos
mangyari yun,
maglalabas ulit yung mga oh shit.
mag-riot
Kinikilabutan
sila
ako.
sa Araneta. What?
Kinikilabutan na ako,
Problema yun.
bro. Kinikilabutan na ako.
But if he loses, you think he comes back? Or he's still...
How old is Brownlee?
Good question.
37,
36.
38,
36. Wait, Justin
30.
Brownlee age. 36. April 23 ba
36.
birthday niya eh?
30, turning 37.
April, next month.
I
Yeah.
think he has one more quality year left.
Na-try, sige.
Kaya pag nanalo na siya, lalaban mo ba yung quality year na yan?
Well,
Di
wala
ba?
si Maya, wala si Isaac Go. Maybe if they're complete, 'di ba? Na okay, one last ride with the complete squad, parang no excuses. Kasi I mean, di ko naman sasabihin na may excuse sila, 'di ba? I mean, both teams have injuries. George is out. Maya is out. Castro is out. BGR is out for
Oo, tama.
TNT. For, 'di ba? And sabihin natin mag-meet sila ulit the finals. Both teams are complete. I think that's feel ko na yung pinaka last ride if he loses here. But I feel like if he wins here, it's ano na, like, thank you PBA, thank you. Well, Gilas, I think meron pa siyang isa pang
Oo,
year,
may,
1 to 2
may ano
years.
pa, wala pa tayong susunod na
Wala,
ano dyan eh. But
oo. But it is goodbye for the PBA na, if he wins, ah. If he wins, it's
ako, I
goodbye.
would love, I'm sure iba yung mga mindset ni Tim Cone dyan, but I would love for him to have a fitting end, a
Mm-hmm.
championship, and a championship on a game 7 the same way he started. Joke lang, game 6 pala yung una niya. Pero still, the same way, around 9 years ago in 2016, when he made that shot against Meralco, first championship, 9 years after, he gets another championship. That's a good way to end the career. That's a good way to end the career. Coaching staff na lang siya. Coaching staff,
Pwede naman dun
advisor,
si
di
LA.
ba? Ano
Si
na yan,
LA
nandun pa
parang
rin
playing
siya.
coach siya eh.
Nandun pa rin naman siya, hindi naman siya mawawala. Pero baka magalit sa atin Hinebra fans, but ako personally, I think that's gonna be a great way to end a career.
I don't think they're gonna get mad at us for, diba? I mean, it's just they know that their superstar is on the tail end of his career. But yeah, that was a great conversation on Needs. That was an interesting Game 7 bukas, guys. we're gonna have a reaction to it for sure. Not sure kung tomorrow. Basta agad-agad. And on behalf of the Shoot First community, Nico Rocha here with Juanito Gregorio. And before we end, when it's may mga pa-shoutout ba from our
Wala naman tayo for
wala naman.
today. Siguro, shout out to all the PBA fans. Let's
Mm.
enjoy the finals. Suportahan natin. This is the finals we wanted. This is the finals we deserve. And this is the finals we got. So we just hope that Game 7 will be as great as the whole series has been. But we'll stick with our predictions. We're just so excited kung ano ang what's for us tomorrow.
Yun lang guys. This is Nico with Juanits. See you guys next time. Peace.